Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sharad YT. Today we are going to unbox electric kettle powered by Reconnect. See guys, this is the electric kettle powered by Reconnect. Its features are 1.5 liter capacity, elegant and sturdy design, single touch lockable ID, 360-degree rotatable handle, and auto cutoff protection. This is very important guys for an electric kettle. So let's unbox this guys. This also I ordered from Amazon. I'll give link in the description guys. Check it out. Let's unbox it guys. It has a lid guys. It is an power supply of this electric kettle. This is the main thing guys, the electric kettle. Let's keep this aside. See guys, this is the electric kettle powered by Reconnect. It has a very elegant and sturdy design, 1.5 liter capacity. This is the opening lock. See guys. From here you can put outside everything. This is the on or off switch. This is off, this is on. Powered by Reconnect. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Bye bye.